Alright guys, budget build install Sunday. Volvo XC60. This is where we mounted the fuse box, and we ran 4 gauge OFC. Ran the bass knob right there. And in the back, installed one of these new Hifonics amps. Kind of fit right in that gap right there. And then we just threw in 2 of these budget 10 Hyankas in one of the new version SCAR boxes, which are actually way better than the old ones. The port tuning and the actual build of the port is way better. So it's our little budget build for today. So we'll get it fired up here and show you guys what it sounds like. I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. I'll put this a link to this on Amazon if you want. It's really cool. These are crimpers, so like when you're using your speaker cables and everything, you can crimp them so they look nice. It comes with the tool. It's like 20 bucks or something, and a bunch of crimpers. So obviously they're handy for, you know, going 2 into 1, making it nice and clean. And also you can use them for the remote wire and the power wires. Now the power wire ones, you don't even need a crimper. You slide them on, and I'll put a link for those in the description also. These are 4 gauge. You slide them on, and then you just tighten down the set screws, and it's pretty thin, so it smashes it in. So you don't even need a crimping tool for those. And it just cleans stuff up pretty quick. Makes it look nice. Alright guys, got this thing finished up. Show you guys what it sounds like. Alright guys, let's see how loud 2 of these get in this mid-size SUV. Alright, 138.9 at 40 hertz. It's pretty good. Pretty good for a cheap budget setup. Let's see if we can get a little more out of it. Let's do it one more time. Alright, 138.91 dB. It's pretty good off a budget setup. Like I said, I'll put links below, but man, sounds good for less than $200 for 2 subs and a $130 box and about $160 amp. Not bad. Sound quality is really good too. Oh yeah, and I forgot, this thing keeps the highest reading, and somewhere along the line in there we got 139.53 at 42 hertz. So that's almost 140. It's pretty good.